Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for many scanner enthusiasts, the Dysead AC-DC adapter, specifically designed for a range of Uniden scanners. This particular adapter is compatible with models like the LTR-ADP2, BP1000, BP1500, BC245XL, and both the BP1000 and BP1500, making it a versatile power solution for several popular Uniden devices. One of the most critical aspects of any power supply is safety, and this Dysead adapter truly shines in that department. It boasts international quality certification, assuring users that it meets top industry standards. This isn't just a label, it translates into practical protection for your valuable equipment. The adapter incorporates numerous safety mechanisms, including safeguards against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and internal overheating. This comprehensive protection means that your Uniden scanner is shielded from common electrical mishaps, providing significant peace of mind whether you're using it at home or in a professional setting. Knowing that your device is protected from unexpected power fluctuations or surges is incredibly reassuring. In terms of performance, the adapter is designed for global use with an input range of AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz. This wide voltage compatibility makes it suitable for various regions without needing a separate voltage converter, which is a huge convenience for anyone who travels or lives in areas with different electrical standards. The high power exchange efficiency is another notable feature. This efficiency helps to control the working temperature of the adapter, preventing it from getting excessively hot during prolonged use. More importantly, it contributes to stable working, ensuring a consistent and reliable power supply to your scanner, which is crucial for uninterrupted operation and optimal performance. The physical attributes of the adapter are also worth mentioning. It comes in a sleek black color, blending seamlessly with most electronic setups. Weighing in at a mere 4 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around or tuck away without adding bulk. It operates as a corded electric power source, providing a continuous and stable power flow, which is ideal for stationary use where you don't want to rely on batteries. The main power connector is a standard 2-pin type, ensuring broad compatibility with typical wall outlets. Before making a purchase, it's always wise to double-check compatibility, and the manufacturer explicitly advises users to ensure they choose the right device. This simple step guarantees that the adapter will perfectly match your specific Uniden scanner model, preventing any potential issues. Overall, this Dysead AC-DC adapter presents itself as a robust, safe, and efficient power solution for compatible Uniden scanners. Its focus on safety, global compatibility, and stable performance makes it a highly recommended accessory for anyone looking to power their scanner reliably.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.